Hey guys, quiz prep, 13 colonies, quiz 1. This is very easy format if you are in my first or third period class. It is 24 multiple choice questions. If you are in second, fourth, or fifth, you're looking at 15 multiple choice questions and 2 short answer. So there's 3 short answer and you pick 2. Okay. Things to focus on. I think you guys are pretty solid on geography, climate, and economy between all 3 regions. There are definitely questions about the religion from all 3 regions. How are they the same? How are they different? So focus on that in your studies. Religion, as well as the founders. Specifically, which founder matches each colony. Was there a founder that matched Georgia? Who founded Georgia? Connecticut? Virginia? What were the names of the founders? As well as different groups. All right, so which region, New England, Middle, or Southern, did the Quakers colonize? Which of those 3 regions did the Puritans colonize, for example? So different groups. I would, as far as the founders go, there's a really great question about Thomas Hooker. So read everything you can about Thomas Hooker. He was really famous for influencing some of the government that evolved and his writings that evolved into the beginnings of our Constitution. And what were those documents called? What's the difference between an indentured servant and a slave? And then there was something that Roger Williams and Anne Hutchinson have in common. You know, what was it in their life? How did they influence their colony? So look at Roger Williams and Anne Hutchinson. What did they have in common within, and how did they, and what happened to them in their own respective colonies? So this is not a long quiz. This is going to be a class set, so you don't get to write on it. But so you'll put everything on your own paper, and I'll show you on the screen how I want you to number your paper, and then you'll write your answers on your own notebook paper with your heading, and then you'll turn that in, and you will not write on the class set. I'll give you a chance to ask me questions at the beginning of class. So if you were like, Mr. Young, I was studying, but I couldn't find X, Y, or Z, we'll discuss it. I'll give you a chance to ask me questions. We'll take the quiz, and then we're going to start learning about some specific information about some of the colonies as they began to develop. What was it really like starting colonies, specifically Jamestown, Virginia. So that's it for the quiz prep. Focus on those things. Look at your foldable, your brochure. Know that information. If you can't read your writing or you're missing some of the information, it's on the class website. And make sure that you also do on the back the writing that's on the back, okay, that is due tomorrow. So the brochure's due, the writing's due, taking the quiz, and then we're starting work on Jamestown tomorrow. Okay, you're awesome for watching the video, and I'll see you tomorrow.